Fermentation community garden. I'm also a volunteer at the Fairmount Food Forest.
Woo!
This is my husband.
Hello, hello, hello. I'm Carlos.
Husband, we call him husband. But he's not the only husband, but I think he's the only husband here at the garden.
He's your only husband.
He's my only husband.
He's not the only husband.
Now. I still have
Play your cards,
time.
right?
You know, I'm not that old yet. But today we are going to participate in a lactose fermentation workshop.
Yes, welcome.
Well, first thing we do is we open our jar and we dump the contents in our bowl.
Oh, wait. First thing we're gonna do is give you guys some glass.
Thank you. Thank you. Dump your cabbage into your bowl. It might take a little bit because we stuffed them kind of full.
Thank you for that.
It might not all fit back in, but that's okay. We have some extra jars.
We cleaned all the tables.
We got top.
You can always boil your jars before you use them.
Yeah.
These are all good.
How about if you just lazy and you just put them in the dishwasher? Do that work?
Oh, right, the dishwasher, because that's so super hot.
There you go.
All right, are we ready for the next step?
Onions. Oh, and just to let you know, so we're making a sauerkraut, but it's in the style of what's called a curtido. A curtido is, I guess, South or Central American. It's usually a pickle. They usually do it with vinegar, but today we're going to be doing it. We're going to do a lacto-fermented version of a curtido, and it usually has carrots, onions, jalapenos, garlic, and then we also have spices. Start with the spices.
We've never done this before. We've never done a workshop before. We've never done a workshop. Yes.
So we usually buy our spices whole too because we find that they hold up a lot better, and then also we refrigerate them. Yes, because spices have oils in them. Don't worry, she got you.
I got your drink.
I think it'll fit.
My drink.
No, it's gonna fit.
My drink is good.
And who's gonna be the?
Who's gonna be the mathematician?
Who's the mathematician?
I got my calculator here for y'all.
All right.
That's a lot.
It is a lot.
Well, y'all had 4 jars, so.
That's 4 jars.
That's
All of the kids
five.
put
That's
their
all
It's
good.
five.
fine. All right, I think.
Go back. Who's the mathematician now?
Oh,
105. I think it has to be more than 105.
Don't lean on the table, y'all. Don't lean on the table.
It's 1,050.
1,050.
Yeah, 1,050. 26. Where's the salt?
Right here.
26.25. So tell me when it's on grams, babe.
Yes.
Right here, y'all.
Tap
We're
the
going to
back.
get this, okay? Some green.
Tap the back.
26.8.
So we get
Just a little bit. All right, Mr. Terrence, let's see what you got.
Okay, guys. So after you have your salt, the next step is going to be to massage that salt into the.
What's the number? We're eating this. This is healthy. All right.
I don't know if this is going to last long in the refrigerator. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm ready to eat it up.
It's breaking down though.
You want to beat your cabbage up? You want to beat your cabbage up?
One thing you do want to make note of is not to use iodized salt. One of the best salts that you can use is sea salt. Well, pretty much your only other option. You have iodized, which you do not want to use with this, and the other is sea salt. You can use a flaky sea salt. You can use whatever. You can use a more coarse sea salt.
Kosher salt or no?
You can use. I would use a kosher sea salt.
What about pink Himalayan salt?
Pink
can
Himalayan
use
salt.
pink Himalayan
Yes,
salt.
you can use pink Himalayan salt. There's another salt that we use called
fancy,
Baja
fancy
Gold,
salt.
which is also really good.
It's
you
a
can
mineral.
use
It's
you can
like-
use Celtic or what they call Celtic salt, but you just don't want to use an iodized salt.
I'm sorry, babe. You good.
But you can. Actually, we have a product that we'll share with you guys that we actually did at our store. We were saving it for the overage.
You put a plastic bag in there, and that's the weight, and you put water in it. Gotcha.
All right.
It's hot.
Pinch it.
Then you can have some of my one.
Because you want to
Y'all wanna seal it?
opens. No, you can seal it.
I had that.
But you just want to make sure that it spreads out. The baggie
But
spreads
you have
out
that.
enough to put ice on top of all the vegetables.
That, okay, that's good. Alright, now I seal it.
You can seal it, put a lid on it.
Yeah, but not too tight.
Tighten it up for now, but when you get home, I would recommend definitely for yours, put it in like a ramekin or a small plate, and then put it someplace warm, out of where it doesn't, where it won't come in contact with a lot of sun. When I say
Do not put your fermentation in the refrigerator until it's complete, and it's not complete because we just started.
When will it be complete?
It's up to you, but at least 5 to 7 days. Do not put your fermentation near the window where the sun will hit it, and do not put your fermentation anywhere where it's really warm. You want to put it somewhere where it's kind of cool or cooler than normal, like under your cabinet or under your cabinet in a drawer. Big one. If your fermentation is up to the line or past the first line, you need to put it in a container, because the water is going to continue to come out of your vegetables and it can overflow. Okay? Do not close your fermentation tightly. Leave some room to close it. Leave some room so that air can come out. Okay? Make sure that lid, pull it off a little bit. Even that seal part, don't let that stick, because it'll stick on its own. Let it be loosely closed. Don't close it tight.
Okay, we close it tight so we can get home.
Yes, you can close it tight till you get it home, but you have to remember to open it back up. This is why you open it every day. To release the gases so that it doesn't explode. Open it every day? Open it every... No. Listen. You open it every day if you have it tight. Okay? If you don't have a weight on it, you open it every day and stir it up. But if you have a weight on it and your fermentation and your lid is loose, you do not have to stir it every day. You only stir it every day if you do not have a weight on your fermentation. Okay?